So this is how I trick my PC to install Windows 11 because it does not support Windows 11. So this is how I did it. Let's get started. So first, I'll just go ahead and open PC check for you to see that this PC actually do not support Windows 11. Yeah, so this is the interface of a PC check. You can download it from Microsoft website if you want to check if your PC does support Windows 11 or not. So first, I'll just go ahead and click on the check, and as you can see, this PC currently doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 minimum requirements here. So as you can see here, I do not have TPM 2.0 enabled. So let's go on. Let me show you how. So if you go to my PC properties, I'm now running Windows 10 server machine. Yeah, I meet all the requirements for Windows 11, just that I do not have TPM 2.0 enabled. So this is how I trick my machine thinking I'm installing Windows 11. I'm installing Windows 10, sorry, but instead I'm installing Windows 11 to get Windows 11 to work on this particular machine. So first, what you have to do, make sure you have Windows 10 ISO and Windows 11 ISO as well. You can also download that one from Microsoft website. I have two of them, so what I will have to do is just to proceed. But if you don't have any of this ISO, you have to download the two ISOs, because we are going to work use the two ISO to work in this tutorial. So if you don't have them, you just have to go ahead and download these two ISOs from Microsoft website. Yep. So the next thing, what we are going to do now, after you have your ISO in place, okay, so we just go ahead and we'll go ahead and create a folder on the desktop. Okay, so let's create a folder on the desktop right now. So we just right click on the desktop and we go ahead and create a folder. Yeah, and we will just let's name it Windows 10. Okay, so you rename it to Windows 10. Yeah. So guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. So after we've done, we go ahead and open the Windows 10 ISO. Okay, yeah, and we'll copy all the files in here. Okay, we'll copy all the files in here, and then yeah, we'll go to the folder that we just created, and we paste everything in here. Yeah. So to take a while, and we are going to go. So guys, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, because I'll also be doing this same thing again, so that you guys can get it well. Yeah, so this tutorial is really simple. So now after we are done with the copy, we'll just close it and we'll just open it. Sorry, we will just put it aside, and you open the Windows 11 ISO. Yeah, so yeah, that's how the Windows 11 ISO look like. And also we open the folder that contains the Windows 10. So you open it side by side here. Yeah, and we go ahead and in the Windows 11 ISO we open the source. Okay, and we will search for install.wim, install.wim. Yeah, this one, and we will copy this one. You copy this one here. So this is the actual software for Windows 11. So we are going to, and we'll go back to Windows 10 folder again. After we've copied the install.wim from Windows 11, we'll go back to the Windows 10 folder, go to the source, and then we'll search, we'll place the file, the install.wim here. So we'll go ahead and replace it with the one inside the Windows 10. Okay, so but we are going to keep everything. So during the installation is going to be act like Windows 10, going to act like we are installing Windows 10, but we are actually installing Windows 11, because we have replaced the install.wim from the Windows 11. Yeah, so that's how simple you can actually do this. So now that we are done, we can just go ahead and then eject all the ISOs that we've opened. Okay, so we just eject them, all of them. Yep, and now we are ready to upgrade. Okay, so bear in mind that this PC does not support Windows 11. Okay, so this is the process that you can actually use to install your Windows 11 on the PC that does not support Windows 11. You just have to replace the install.wim on the Windows 10 ISO with the Windows 11 from the one that inside the Windows 11. So don't let me complicate it. As you saw it, that's how it should be done. So first, what we are going to do now is just start our upgrade. Okay, so we open the folder that contains the Windows 10 files. Okay, now we go ahead and open the Windows, we start the upgrade. So we double tap on the setup, yeah, and then the upgrade is just beginning, has just started, yeah. So of course, as I said, install Windows 11. So click on change this one and download update. No, just check the not now, not right now, yeah, and click on next. And guys, so this process is actually going to take a while, so if you are doing it, be patient. So you click on, we accept the terms and conditions, and you click on next, and then now our Windows is preparing to start. So as you can see, install Windows 11 Pro, and we are keeping all our files and apps. This is not a clean installation, this is an upgrade, so all our files will be intact. So after you are done, you just go ahead and click on install. Click on install. Yeah, and as you can see, installing Windows 10. So the setup itself is a Windows 10 file. Yeah, so this is how it's going to be look like. It will look like it's installing Windows 10, but under the hood there is actually installing Windows 11. So you will see what I mean in a minute. And guys, as you can see here, this one really takes a while, so you have to be patient and wait. So it will restart for multiple times, and you have to be patient and make sure your PC is plugged to power so that you don't lose power in the process. So yeah, it's almost done, and as you can see, that is the startup for Windows 11. That is really amazing. This is very great upgrade. And if you should remember, this PC does not support TPM 2.0, so we just have to manipulate to get Windows 11 installed. So now that is loading, it'll take a few minutes to get that inside Windows 11. Almost there, and there you have it, guys. We have successfully upgraded our laptop that does not have a TPM 2.0 enabled, and now we have upgraded successfully. As you can see, we have all our files here intact, not deleted. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you find this video educative, you can follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or if you have any difficulties, don't also forget to comment in the comment section, and I'll come and then reply every one of you guys. So guys, this is how you can actually trick your PC that does not support Windows 11 and go ahead and install Windows 11 on it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. This channel is really a very young channel, so I really need your subscription very, very much. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment section, and I'll reply to you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.